This evening, the Jersey City Council meeting was dominated by supporters of Ryan Strother. Strother was let go last week by the Fulop administration because he had allegedly hired a registered sex offender and did not take timely action to fire the employee. Earlier, before the council meeting, there was a protest that was led by Carolyn Fair. Carolyn Fair is the president of the North Jersey chapter of Reverend Al Sharpton's National Action Network.
Sure, this could have been handled in a, let's say, a much more genteel fashion. It could have been handled in-house. It did not need all of this hoopla. I also think that this is just a ruse to get rid of another black man. Mr. Strother was on vacation when he got the results of the background check. He immediately gave the directive to Nancy Ramos, head of HR, and Sabrina Harrell, his assistant director, to go immediately to the law department and have this handled. Now, why they didn't follow his directive is beyond me, but it seems as though it was done deliberately. So we're here to try to get some answers, and we're going to dig until we unravel everything that's going on, because it's enough. Ward F is neglected. Steve ran on the premise of a tale of two cities, and he was going to unite it, and all he's done is exacerbate that very same thing, a tale of two cities. And everything with a negative connotation is thrown in Ward F. We're not standing for it anymore. And to just wrongfully terminate, I can't emphasize that enough, wrongfully terminate Ryan Strother, we are not standing for it.
The protest, however, took a different turn during the council meeting.
We know there are a number of folks here who are here for Ryan Strother. On the question of Ryan Strother is record. Please. So the normal proceedings are that we do first readings ordinances, second reading ordinances, then we have public speaking, and then we have our resolutions. We moved some of the items up on the agenda. We did that with the understanding that the people who were speaking on behalf of those ordinances, rather than have multiple speakers, that they only had one speaker come up on behalf of the entire group. So for those of you who are here on behalf of Ryan Strother and who are on the public speaking list, I'm going to ask you if you'll please stand up. So for those of you who are on the public speaking list, you have the opportunity to speak later after these second reading ordinances are done, or after talking to my colleagues. If one of you want to speak on behalf of all of those who are on the public speaking list for Ryan Strother, on behalf of that, we can take one speaker. Otherwise, it's after the second reading ordinances. So now we're moving forward, second reading ordinances.
Were you asking for a speaker then? What are you asking for? For one thing?
If you would agree, for those who are on the speakers list, if you agree that one speaker will speak for you, we'll move you up and you can speak. That's our normal process.
But I mean now?
What's that? Sure.
I mean, move us up.
I'll move you up now.
Now?
Yeah. But you gotta agree.
Okay.
You gotta get together and agree on that.
Can I just ask you a question, President? First,
Ms. Jackson, I'm sorry.
you did say that, but you did not stipulate that we would have to speak as one. We're not an organization. Those people that spoke was an organization, so they just select one representative.
So we have
different.
Ms. Jackson, thank you. That's why we have our
And so
normal
we're
procedure.
asking you to have respect for us as your constituents to move this up on the ballot, because we need to go home and take care of our children that need to go to school tomorrow.
Ms. Jackson, please. This is our normal procedure.
Okay, but you don't have to follow normal procedure. That's why we have amendments and we can change things. We are here as the people that want to be heard. We don't want to wait to the end so you can do this, but you're going to pass anyway.
There are other people who want to be heard as well.
But do they want to be heard on this
I'm sorry,
issue?
this is not the time to.
Well, when is the time? This is not the time. When is the time?
Public speaking.
Item 4H, City Ordinance 15-116,
an ordinance.
The frustrated supporters then just left the council meeting. I'm Jeanette Jozu, Hudson County View, the eye of the community.